How to get a disabled Instagram account back. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So first step is to know why your account was disabled. If you have accidentally disabled it, then you will not be able to actually recover your Instagram account. However, if you get notifications such as violating community guidelines or copyright infringement, you can actually vote and appeal. If you don't know how, you can just head over and search for Instagram help and support. In the Help Center, you can search for Appeal Instagram's content decision to the Oversight Board. Here you will see the option of Request a Review Process. Just click on it. Now from here, you can go ahead and check all this out. Now at the very bottom, you will see was this helpful option. You need to select on No and just tap on any of this option. Here you will see this dialog box where you can type in why your Instagram account was disabled. Then once you vote and appeal, the Instagram team will get back to you with the necessary solution. However, if you have accidentally deleted your Instagram account, there is no way you can get it back. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.